Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy and Tasty Options. Today I'm going to show perfect way to ferment yogurt with and without instant pot along with tips. Yogurt is an excellent source of calcium, protein and probiotics. If we take yogurt regularly helps for better immune system, constipation and reduced inflammation. I prefer pot in pot with 2 medium containers so that it's good enough for a week. Stays super fresh in fridge as only one container is used at a time until finished. With pot in pot, instant pot can be reused for other recipes. Usually store little yogurt for fermentation in small airtight container and freeze it. It's good for up to 6 months. Very handy when not home for few days or run out of yogurt suddenly. Just keep yogurt outside for 1 to 2 hours until defrost. Then it's ready for use as a starter for fermenting milk. Let's get started. First boil milk on stove top. Let it cool down until warm. If you want very thick yogurt, use whole milk and boil little more extra time. If you are weight conscious, use low fat or fat free milk. Let's see yogurt making with instant pot. Take a bowl. Add around 1 teaspoon yogurt. Yogurt doesn't need to be thick. Mix it well. Helps for better fermentation. Add slightly warm milk. Cold milk also gets fermented fine in instant pot. Mix the yogurt starter and milk well. At the bottom of the instant pot, you can try with or without water, with normal or warm water, with or without stand. Warm water at the bottom always helps for better incubation. Place the yogurt bowl in instant pot. Stack another bowl by placing the lid. Close the instant pot lid. You can set whistle to venting or sealing. Set the yogurt mode and timer to 7 hours. After 7 hours, you will see the yogurt ready. Once display shows yogurt, timer is done. Press cancel and check yogurt. Usually in cold countries also, 7 hours of yogurt fermentation is good enough. In hot countries, you can try with lesser timer. If yogurt is not done, set another hour. See, yogurt is really very thick. You can store in fridge for using over a week. Let's see other ways of yogurt making without instant pot. Mixing little yogurt with milk is all same. If room temperature is around 30 degrees centigrade or 86 Fahrenheit, yogurt gets fermented by 2 to 4 hours only. Here is the trick. Add red chili. Helps for faster fermentation. Add warm water in a big bowl. Place the yogurt bowl. Cover it with lid. Keep in warm place like microwave or under sunlight. Or in preheated oven with light on for 7 hours. Close the oven lid to keep warm enough. Hope you enjoy perfect homemade yogurt. Stay tuned for more amazing healthy and tasty recipes. Thanks for watching.